so back up at the cabin. Haven't been up in a couple weeks. The plan today is to finish putting the third window in that spot right there. When I first put those windows in, I was only going to put two, but because of their size I could fit three, so I'm going to put a third one there. And I was able to pick up 4 windows that I'm going to use on this side of the cabin. I was able to pick these windows up. Actually, someone was doing a rehab in our neighborhood, so I was able to pick those windows up for nothing. So the plan today is to try and get 2. I gotta measure them out. I gotta finish ripping out what's left of the mice nests, clean that out, and get hopefully 2, possibly 3 windows on this side of the building. And then we'll save the 4th for further down once we put the door in. So that's the plan for today. All right, I got the third window in. I think it looks much more symmetrical with 3. It went in pretty easy. I just had to, again, reframe that wall, put up a header, and got that third window in now. So take a quick lunch break, and then I'm going to come back and start banging out the other windows on the other side of the house. Got to put up a header for each one. Got to finish clearing out the mice nests. Got the burn pit going again. So yeah, get going on that.
I can't emphasize enough how much this sucks. That whole wall has been full of rat's nests. I got one more section to do at the top, and then I'm done. 30 years worth of mice nests. Sucks!
Alright, I got all the demo work done all the way down to the floor. So now I'm going to start framing in the headers and try and get 2 of those windows in today before the rain comes down. But we'll get 1 in for sure. So that's the plan now. Get this first window in over here. So I'd call it a success for today. I got the 1 window in. I wanted to get 2. It took me a little longer. I got to wrap it up. We're getting ready to get a storm here, and I got to make sure I button everything up before it rains. I got to go check the deer cams too. And I got this other window in. That one was easy. That didn't take long at all. This one took a little longer because of the header. I had to actually shore up the floor joists to make sure that they were good to go before I cut those studs out because it's a weight bearing wall. Plan is to put 1 more window right here. Probably gonna put the wood stove there, and we're gonna put a door where that panel is leading out, and yeah, and then also I'm gonna bring up the window for this next week. That's gonna take quite a bit of framing because that's pretty rotted out. They didn't have it flashed properly. So I'm going to have to reframe that whole wall, and that's going to be pretty time consuming. So other than that, enjoy your small cabin living. Till next time.